Hi, my name is Angie Marcela Herrera Peláez. I am a student's bachelor's degree in English. In this case, I will talk about of the topic how to make a better use of TICS in education. TICS in education. TICS are a novel path that has allowed human beings to unify information, bring knowledge closer, and provide quality of life options from the comfort of work, study, and social relationships. The main idea of each video about the use of TICS. It mentions a wide variety of uses, strategies, and relevance of the use of TICS in education. What is its functionality in student learning? Video number 2. Critical video about the position of students towards technology in education. In this video, the teacher, creative and expositable, illustrates the use of TICS in the classroom, captures the attention of his students, and allows them to express their position. My opinion. In my opinion, I believe that TICS should be used responsible, even in the classroom, since they are also a way of falling into oblivion or that the purposes are not fulfilled. As a personal suggestion, I do not implement TICS to a great extent. Since I consider that social relations can be affected in the integral development of students in childhood and adolescence.